Alright, y'all. I just got back from the store. My stepdad told me to get him a Sprite. I'm finna put some Mentos in that bitch. That bitch gonna explode on his ass. I'm finna drop these bitches in there. Call his ass down here. I'm waiting for his ass to come down. He taking long as hell. Oh shit, he coming. I got you a pop.
What's it?
In the freezer.
Motherfucker here, man, I swear. Chris! Chris! He bring his dumb ass on down. Let's go, nigga! I bought that shit up and the stupid motherfucker when he bought 1 2-liter. That's the dumb shit he do. I fucking swear.